Fáilte Rat, welcome back, or if you're new here, Fáilte, welcome to our beginner weekly Irish mini lesson. And this week on Teach an Seo, we're going to look at how to say please in Irish, or as Gaeilge, or in Gaelic, whichever you prefer yourself. So please is a nice easy one, but also a great beginner phrase that you can use all the time, every day. Firstly, I would like to mention that we have a Gaeilge for complete beginners starting soon. This waitlist is down in the description, so just pop your name in the waitlist and you'll be the first to know. We're only launching to the waitlist first. And if you are watching this at a later date, that program might be available now, so you can check down in the description. It'll be linked there if it's available now to enroll in. This is going to be different to any other Irish beginner course you'll ever do because it focuses on practical everyday Gaeilge that you see around you and that you can use every single day. On we go to our phrase, which is please. Please in Irish is le do chul. Le do chul. And then quickly, like a native speaker, would be le do chul. Le do chul. So if you check down here in the yellow, this is our pronunciation guide. Le, this is a short E here, there's no accent, so it's just le, le. Like the le in lemon, at the beginning of lemon. Du, short O, so there's no accent, it's short, so it's just du, like the du in dull. And then chul, the spelling here in Irish might throw you, but this is pronounced like hull, like the hull of a boat. Chul, le, du, chul. And le literally means with in Irish. Du is your, and then chul is like permission. So with your permission is our literal translation of please in Irish, but it does mean please. Le do chul, please. Le do chul. Le do chul. And if you are interested in how this sounds in different dialects, you can type this into aber.ie. This is a pronunciation database where you can hear every phrase or word in all of the different dialects in Irish, because we have Ulster Irish, Connacht Irish and Munster Irish, and there's also a Standard Irish as well. So I hope that helps. Hope you enjoyed that lesson. To Sulam go on to Tanavos. I hope you enjoyed it. Gurv Mahaguth, thank you so much. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.